Well, good afternoon and welcome to your week before Mother's Day musing. This is Rev Kyra and we're looking at our beautiful gardens and grounds, our labyrinth out here, our beautiful gardens. Here we have the entrance to our gardens, and truly is a magnificent time of year out here, and our new swing that was just placed in here today. And what I would like to share with you as I walk you through these beautiful gardens, and to notice the little details, like the flowers that are blooming around the trees here today, or the new flowers that have come up around each of these different trees, and recognizing this is a monarch way station and sacred ground. And we acknowledge the beauty and wonder of this magnificent mother of ours, our mutual mother, Mother Earth. And as we prepare for our Mother's Day, we've honored Earth Day, and we've honored different ways of understanding what the world offers us. And today, as I look at the mother and the ways that she expresses with her land and her waters and her beauty and abundance, the magnificence of these flowers, the height of this beautiful trees and the bamboo here, the Queen Anne's lace and the milkweed that attracts the beautiful butterflies, and just all the ways, the magnificence of this garden and this meditation area, this place of walking a sacred labyrinth, living in harmony. This is a place of harmony, of continual movement and growth and shifting of the seasons. And all of life is like that. We have a wildflower garden planted by our teens out here. And you know, these beautiful expressions that welcome us into the remembrance that we live upon a sacred mother are also reminders of honoring the mother that has given us each birth, and the mothers that have raised us, and the mothers that bring love and harmony and peace into the world. As I look at this Queen Anne's lace, there is such delicacy in this, and yet it is swayed by the wind. And we have the opportunity to be gently influenced by those in our lives who have brought us into life, who have given themselves an honor, given their whole body and being and life to raising us, to bringing an expression of love and into the world, and made us so many times more important than themselves. So as we look at this, and grandmother turtle symbolized here as we stand on the grandmother land, and we recognize the beauty and wonder of, back here somewhere I have Mother Mary. Right now here's Jesus and the Easter lilies and the peace pole, because mothers are peacemakers, aren't they? There's Kuan Yin back here along with Buddha. Here's Mother Mary and Saint Francis, representing that energy that mothers the animals. See, there's so many levels of mothering energies all around us, and we often feel that we don't have enough mothering, or we look for someone to mother us outside of ourselves, and yet the mothering energy is available to us wherever we look and wherever we are, for we have the ability to mother ourselves with the things that bring us harmony and peace in our soul. And we get to celebrate, no matter what, our life exists because of a mother, because of a mother that gave us life. It exists because of this beloved Mother Earth that we stand on, Mother Gaia. The wisdom of all of creation is here right now. And so as I muse on this today and look at the beauty, I'm going to come to this beautiful swing here. See, the swing was put up today And it is a beautiful representation to me of the beautiful energy of, I don't know, a gentle movement. When I grew up and part of the time lived at my grandmother's house, they had a front porch swing. It was very, very special to me. Or I would go, and my mom was not always well, and in that time I would go sit on the swing. And by the gentle swaying movements of that swing, I felt mothered. I felt mothered by life. I felt mothered by my being able to move myself on that swing. I felt mothered by living with my grandmother, Grammy and Dutch. They were very dear to me. And I know that we may miss our mothers. We may miss that which in the physical gives us love and strength, and yet all around us continually is the ever-renewing, life-giving mother. And our mothers are one with that. They're one with creation and one with bringing forth our life. So let's give thanks for mothers. Let's celebrate. And we're going to be this week speaking of the mothers of unity. How amazing is that which mothered unity into existence. God bless you. Have a fabulous week, my friends. May we see you on Sunday. And in the meantime, enjoy the glory of the mother.